Today I'll walk you through the 5 legal documents every 18-year-old needs to stay protected and to keep their voice in the room when it matters most. When your child turns 18, you lose all legal rights. No automatic access to medical info, no power to help with finances, and in most cases, no say in an emergency. They may still live at home, you may still pay their bills, but legally they're now an adult. Now in some states, hospitals may share limited info with parents in life-threatening emergencies under what's called implied consent. But it depends on the hospital policy, state law, and the doctor's judgment. That means in a real crisis, you're gambling on a stranger's decision. And that's not a plan, that's a risk. Let me tell you about Lisa, a mom I worked with. Her daughter got into a car accident at college. Lisa rushed to the hospital, called the ER frantic. The nurse told her, "I'm sorry, she's over 18, we can't release any information." She couldn't even confirm if her daughter was alive. And if you're a young adult watching this, listen up. If you don't want your parents to be in charge of your financial and medical decisions, that's valid. But here's the truth. If you don't name someone you trust, the state decides for you. And the person might not be the one you choose. Maybe you want your older sibling, a close friend, your partner. You can legally choose, but only if you document it. Otherwise, someone you don't trust could end up managing life or death decisions for you. 5 legal docs every 18-year-old needs. Number 1, a medical power of attorney. This lets you legally name someone to make your medical decisions if you're unable. For example, if you're unconscious in the hospital, emergency surgery is needed, who makes the call? Without this document, doctors may delay care or go to whoever the state lists first, even if it's not who you want. Number 2, HIPAA Authorization. HIPAA laws protect private medical info. But once your child turns 18, even asking, "Is my daughter at the hospital?" can get you stonewalled. This short form gives healthcare providers permission to talk to you or to whoever your child chooses. Number 3, financial power of attorney. This allows you or your over 18-year-old to select who manages finances if they could not. For example, they lose their wallet while studying abroad. Their bank account is frozen. Rent is due. You call to help, but you're not authorized. This document lets you step in quickly to pay bills, talk to banks, handle student loans, or file taxes. Number 4, Advanced Healthcare Directive, also known as a living will. This lets your child state their own medical preferences for serious situations. For example, do they want life support? What about organ donation? Pain management? Religious considerations? Without this, doctors are left guessing, and families are often left fighting. This document makes sure your child's values, not a default policy, guide the care that they receive. Number 5, a simple will. Yes, even 18-year-olds need a will. Not because they're expecting to die, but because life happens. If they have a car, a bank account, a job, crypto, Venmo, or social accounts, a will is a good idea. So to recap, here are the 5 legal docs every young adult needs: a medical power of attorney, a HIPAA authorization, a financial power of attorney, and an advanced healthcare directive and will. And if they have more assets, they should consider a trust for better protections. These aren't just legal forms. They're your safety net. They're how your child keeps control when life gets unpredictable. Parents, these documents give you the ability to step in legally if your child is in danger. Teens, these documents give you the ability to decide who gets to speak for you and who doesn't. Either way, if nothing is signed, the state, a stranger, chooses for you, not you. So here's your next step. Download a free copy of my best-selling book, Legally Ever After. I'll link it here.